came to see Dr. Brewer's Dentistry years ago, and I was very delighted with what I encountered, and I decided to make it a permanent decision. I have had multiple procedures done in this office, and every one of them has turned out excellent. I've had crowns, I've had fillings, I've had root canals, and that's why I keep coming back. Dr. Dean makes me feel that I am a valuable customer to him, and that he's glad to see me, and he makes me feel welcomed. I would recommend Dr. Brewer's Dentistry to anyone who wanted a professional who does exquisite work and with a staff that makes it very comfortable to be here, makes dentistry almost fun.